Why, hello there, it's Grace. And here at Grace Madness, we'd like to think that we only do very proper, sophisticated, and well-mannered reviews, but pudding boob ice cream. So today, for our next Dagashi, I would like us to be able to review the packaging and the presentation, and of course the taste of the candy, without resorting to butt jokes. I don't know how I'm going to be able to resist, given the candy comes out of that hole. I will in no way be making jokes about how the candy is dispensed from the packaging, or whereabouts on the animal that it's placed. I won't even mention that it's chocolate candy. Let's get on with the review. The back of the head. You have to undo some tape. Okay. You kind of rip its head off. It's a little disturbing. Oh, look at that. It shows you how to fill the poop chamber. Good to know. Hi, it's Grace, and today on Snack Along with Dagashi Kashi, I have Lucky Poo Candy. They're tiny cardboard animals that poop out your fortune. According to my wonderful Google Translate skills, pink is confession, green is game, and purple is go out. I want to see how accurate they are, and most importantly, I really appreciate the dispensing method. Let's face it, that's hilarious. Apparently you have to set it up first. There's a packet of candies inside. Rip off his face. Tells you how to load him. No, can't undo that. Oh, okay. It opens that way. Oh, that's so cute. Candies. Oh, there's lots of stuff written in here. I'll have to try and translate it and let you know if it's anything interesting. We even see it. Belly. That's going to be fun to put back together. Okay. Tell you where to start? Like, just that head bit. And put it back together, hold it upside down, and I'll shut his belly. So, okay. Oh, okay. That really wasn't hard. Candies. Yeah. I need to put this down. Uh-oh. Lost the pink one. Oh, and something else. Oh, and a green one. Okay. Uh-oh. I already opened the butt flap, so they're falling out. Okay. I really thought it was going to be more difficult than that. That's alright. All the candies are free inside. So, open his butt flap. What's my fortune? Oh, pink then green. So what was pink? Confession. Hi, my name's Grace, and I'm a candy addict. Tastes kind of berry. I thought it was chocolate in the middle. That's definitely not chocolate. That would have been really funny though. I have no idea what that tastes like. Oh, green then pink. What was that? A game. Well, putting that back together? Could that be a game? Confession. I'm eating candy out of a hippopotamus's butt. That's my confession. It doesn't taste bad. It kind of tastes fruity, but I can't pick what fruits. And I don't know if they're different flavors. They all look the same in the middle. I'm so unsure. Kind of taste a hint of yogurt, maybe. Nope. Purple. What was purple? Go out. Yeah, not today. It's raining. Actually, I need bread and milk. Damn. Yeah, the purple definitely tastes the same as the green. What am I missing? Pink. Confession. I'm still eating candy out of a hippopotamus butt. They don't smell like anything at all. I say it tastes like yogurt. I have to see what it's really supposed to taste like. It was clogged. Apparently that's supposed to be grape. I definitely don't taste grape. Nope. Panda! Nope. Sticker. I can just open it. Yeah. I'll see if the inside bits translate a bit differently, but I think hopefully it's just this bit. Wonder what panda facts there are. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't want to drop all these ones. Oh no, what am I doing wrong? Okay, nope, good. No, not good. Okay. Open the poop chute. Purple, purple, pink, pink, purple. Yeah, purple, still not going out. Confession. Now I'm eating candy from a panda pot. It tastes the same. As it should. I still wish I could taste something better than yogurt. Grape would be really good. This seal's so cute. I feel bad ripping his head off. There's only one green one in that part. What was green again? God, I wish I could remember these. Game. Not meant to game. That seems unfair. I just started playing, oh my gosh, what is it? Rock something. You learn to play guitar. It's really fun. Rock band? No, that sounds wrong. Release the candy. Pink, purple, purple. Brains. Confession. Go out, go out. So I'm going to confess that I am going to keep all of these tiny cute cardboard animals. And I don't know why they're too cute to go in the bin. Uh-oh, what colour was that? Green. Game! I get to game. Yay. They're just going to take up space. And I'm going to need to dust them. But they're so adorable. Frog. Oh, he's got a little tadpole on his head. Oh, it's going to be so hard to throw them out. I'm not going to be able to keep them all. As you can see, my bookshelf's very full, and that's where I like to keep a lot of my really cute things, especially cute Japanese things. Frog. Don't open them up too much, they're much easier to put back together. Do that first and then undo it and see how cool it is on the inside maybe. feels wrong picking at the frog's butt to get candy. Oh, green, purple, purple. So, what was green? I can't remember. Game! Yeah, gaming! Oh my god, I just can't remember anything. Purple, go out! Yeah, no. A bear. I don't know how they could possibly make more adorable packaging. After maybe putting the candy coming out somewhere else. I still try and lift that front flap off. Lift its belly. Oh, sorry. Bear. Feet. Poop shoot. Okay, confession. I really don't like these. The taste isn't that great. I suppose if you're only eating a couple it's okay, but eating this many, it's not good. Doesn't taste good at all. And I'm still eating candy out of animal bites, but this time it's a bear. Yeah. Now it's starting to taste like bad yogurt. I'm trying to empty all these into a container. Oh, it was just blocked. We're fine, we're fine. Lion. Man. Legs out of the way. Okay. No, I should take those stickers off. Oh, now it's just wrapped itself around. Cool. This head's not going to sit properly. Oh well. Lion poop. Don't want to go out. Don't want to go out. Don't want to go out. Game. I certainly will game. I'll finish eating Dagashi first though. Uh-oh. The lion pooped on the floor. This is the last one, but it's the cutest. Apparently it's a type of anglerfish called a monkfish. I'm glad they've got the names of the animals on the sides. That translation worked really well. And he's super cute. And my colour. And my aesthetic. Wish I had a light on my head. That would come in really handy. So the lighting here would be fabulous with the light coming out of my head. I don't know where to hold that so you can see it. The light's in my eyes. I can't see what you can see properly. And I can't open candy. Okay, monkfish bite. Game. I'll go play Rocksmith. Learning to play guitar and Rocksmith is super fun. I don't really like being told what to do, but playing songs I like whilst laughing and being really bad at it, I really enjoy. Off topic. Confession. I think I want to change my hair colour. I'm not sure. I was thinking about orange. Maybe red. I really like the stripes that I had in. Maybe I should just put my stripes back in. They were really fun. Don't know. I really recommend these. They are so cute. The candy doesn't taste that great. But how can you resist your fortune being told by a pooping animal? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye! You have to open their butthole. That's not good. Pink. Confession. Confession. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ever. At any given time. Sometimes it looks like I know what I'm doing. And other times it looks like I'm an idiot. But I can show you. I'm having fun doing it. I'm so glad I've got this on video. While I'm editing. watching your dumbass try and give confessions. You literally don't have anything to confess. You're too boring.